I'm here with Powerhouse International, and I'm here to show you how to assemble your new Force 1800. So it'll come in a box just like this. When you're going to open it, if you're going to use a utility knife, make sure you use it very shallow so it will not cut the hose that's inside. Okay, so when you get your Force 1800, it'll come with a hose, a brush, an instruction manual, the wand and the multifunction nozzle, a soap bottle, 2 wheels, an angle nozzle, turbo nozzle, and the pressure washer, along with a wrench. To start off assembling your pressure washer, you should take the wheels, which will snap on right to the side, with some force. Next, you should put the wand together by pushing down while it's inserted. Push down and twist. It'll lock and it won't move. Then you should take your hose, and it'll come in a little band that you just can pull off. And this plugs in to the front with a snap. Next, you take your wand, which also snaps, and you hook it onto it. Then you choose the nozzle you want, which we're going to show you the angle nozzle that comes specially with this model. Next, you want to take your electric cord, unravel it, and plug it in. And if it doesn't seem to work the first time, go ahead and press test, and then reset, and it should work. Next, you should hook up the hose by screwing it into the back here. Twist the hose to the right, and the connector to the left to make it screw in faster. Next, you gotta turn on your hose fully so that the Force 1800 has adequate water supply. Next, you want to make sure to empty all the air from the hose. And you just hold it down and wait for the water to start running. Then when all the air bubbles are out, next, to turn it on, you step on the button that's located on the left-hand side of the pressure washer. And it should spray water pretty nicely. And the angle nozzle is very useful for cleaning like gutters and the underside of cars. To attach and reattach the nozzles, there's a gray button on the bottom side. You push it and pull, and it'll come off, or if you want to attach it, you push it down, put it on inside into the grooves and let it go, and it'll snap right on. Here's the turbo nozzle. I think this is optimal for cleaning cars, boats, and RVs. Next, we're going to show you the multifunction nozzle to clean up this bit of dirt here. When you want to change the multifunction nozzle, all you have to do is turn it. Next, I'm going to show you the soap bottle. And this can be filled with any cleaning solution, but we've just used Dawn soap. And this can be, the knob here can be used to increase the amount of soap in the water or decrease it. Soap bottle is great for vehicles, patios, and siding. And on the pressure washer, there are these little nub sort of things that hold all your attachments in place while you move them around. One of my favorite features of the Force 1800 is that it can follow you for easier cleaning. And with the purchase of the Force 1800, you get a free gift of the cleaning brush. Which is also great to go with the soap bottle for cleaning cars. And with your purchase of the Force 1800, you get a wrench to help tighten this to make sure that there's no leakage. And where the instruction manual is, you also get a unclogging tool and an extra gasket for the Force 1800. And all you have to do is take the nozzle that's jammed, put this right through it, and unclog what's in it. To pack up your Force 1800 for storage, all you have to do is shut off the water source. Then, make sure your pressure washer is off by clicking the button, and then empty it of water. When it's running really low on water and not much is coming out, you can push this, turn it once again, and pull it out, and the water will come out. Go ahead again and empty it, make sure it's gone. Then use the quick connect and push this down, pull it out, and it disconnects as well. Next, you can take your hose, twist, and take it off. Then you can disconnect the hose. Then all you have to do is unplug it and wind it all up. Thanks again for your purchase of the Force 1800 pressure washer. Hope you enjoy it.